Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about StarPop Journey. Is it a real fun game that pays you real money, or is it just another ad-filled time waster? Let's break it down and see what's real and what's hype. Before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. StarPop Journey is one of those games that shows up in ads claiming you can earn hundreds just by popping bubbles. The interface is colorful, the gameplay is simple, and at first it looks like your balance grows fast. But here's the catch. According to a detailed review on Naija New Life, this app never really pays out. There's no evidence of real users receiving cash, and once you get close to the payout threshold, the earnings slow down drastically or just stop. No Trustpilot page either, so there's no verified user feedback to rely on. It's probably not a legit way to earn money. It might be fun to play casually, but if you're doing it hoping for real cash, don't hold your breath. The only ones making money here are the developers from all those ads you're forced to watch. Have you tried Start Pop Journey yourself? Let us know what happened in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more honest app reviews.